So this is the assembly that came out from this Delta top spout. This is how it is hooked up. This shaft here is linked to this plastic piece that holds a washer, and then when you lift it up, when you lift this up, it covers the pipe, so water will be diverted to your shower head. And I look at the washer, and I was gonna replace it, but I've read there are people who replace the whole spout mechanism or the washer and it still leaks. And what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna clean the part where this washer is covering. It's like the hole where the water comes out. There's some mineral deposits on the surface area of where the water comes out. So I just use a file to file the inside of this spout. I'm going to show you in a minute. I just use a file to file it flat because over time you have mineral deposit that builds up. So even if you were to replace the washer, it's not going to help that much. I suspect this won't completely solve my problem, but it should make it better. This whole unit here is fairly expensive. It's like $50. It's all metal, so I'm not going to replace this. So I'm just going to stand off the valve. So I'll show you how that is done. I won't be able to show you the video because of the space constraint. I'm just going to take a photo of where I put the file, and then you should get the idea. I just finished cleaning up the scales of the pipe inside here, and two drops coming out, and that's from the shower. Okay. So I just reassembled the unit here, and this knob here screws on to the stem here, and if you were to use a plier, just maybe put some tape, maybe duct tape on the stem here so you don't mar the stem, and you screw this back on as tight as you can. So